See, this is the refrigeration unit, and there is no defrost switch. There's where it would plug in, I'm assuming, but there's nothing plugged in up here. And if you look on the thing, I don't see anywhere it would fit. Huh?
Talking to yourself.
Oh yeah, I'll make a video, Tree. Yeah. Alright. Nowhere. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the one out from the bottom, the temperature right here. Go ahead and take it out. This one right here. We'll unsnap the one in the bottom and bring it up. Okay. But I see nothing here anywhere. Unless it's on that, but it's not really and truly. Okay. Nowhere for it to fit. Y'all enjoy. Peace. We're going to swap them out.